Hey everybody, I have a video here for you today, and this is one I started working on a couple days ago before I saw Timmy Pizzle 81's video on Göbekli Tepe, and I made that video. And I just wanted to say something. This is the video I made a couple days ago, Göbekli Tepe, August 2018, and I really appreciate the response on this. This has over 500 likes. So people, I know this is one subject they are really interested in, but I just want to say this. When I made this video, Timmy Pizzle 81 here, his video had 85 views, and he had 6 subs, and now, today, a couple days later, it's been watched 976 times, has 213 likes, and he has 602 subs. So I really want to thank all my viewers for going over there and subbing his channel and liking this video. But especially, and this is probably the best thing, all the comments were very respectful. And I know Timmy was kind of wondering about that, and me putting his video out there, and he was wondering what kind of reception he would get. But my viewers and the comments they left, there was a few subtle criticisms, but hey, that just comes with the territory. But I guess the thing that surprised him most was how respectful the comments were and how interactive and very nice they were. So to all my viewers who left comments on his video here, I just want to say thank you. That really shines a good light on all you people. And pretty proud of my viewers and their comments here. But everybody who left comments, I just want to say thank you to those people and all the people who liked and subbed Timmy's channel here. But to everybody who liked this video and subbed him, well, I think we have inspired him to make some more videos, and he lives in this area of the world. So he has access to some ancient sites that some of us, well, certainly don't have access to and would love to see a look around. So great job, people. Proud of my viewers. But getting back to my Ancient America video, well, my channel is really all about being thorough. I like to give my opinions on some of the most difficult mysteries we have out there and the ones that people are most interested in. And I also like presenting places that are not well known. Maybe they're not the most thrilling, exciting, mind-shattering places, but I like to be thorough. I like to document as many ancient places as I can, and this place is called Casa Malpais, and it is located near Springerville, Arizona. And here is the location of Springerville, and usually you can get a location through Wikipedia or another site, but I couldn't get a location for this, so I went hunting for this place. It brings you into the Archaeological Park and Museum, and also brings you into the Casa Malpais RV Park. So I didn't know where this place was, so where do you think it was? And here is the location. It's in this area. Where do you think it was? Well, I finally found it right in this area here. But this place was lived in about 800 years ago, and this seemed to be kind of an important site as far as the general area around here. But this is a look at Casa Malpais. There is a large central kiva or ceremonial area here maybe. And I'm going to go over the ruins just a little bit and then show you a clip from a channel I want to share that I have shared before. But you see here, we have a structure here, and this is built right into the side of the cliffs. This was a community that thrived in this area, and that seemed to be a very important ceremonial center for the general area. This is south of the famous Four Corners area. This is quite a ways south of Mesa Verde, And I have made videos on Mesa Verde and Chaco Canyon and some other pretty famous places, but I wanted to document this one today. And this circular structure, there has been research done on this, and astronomical alignments were put into this. So these people were star watchers, but right into the side of the cliff. And I imagine living in this area was not the easiest, with the climate being what it is. Well, let's just read the sign here. It says, "Welcome to Casa Malpais, National Historic Landmark." Casa Malpais is a prehistoric ceremonial site that was occupied between AD 1268 and AD 1400. And when you have a window there, you gotta give a little leeway, I imagine. The people who inhabited this site have been called Mogollon by the archaeologists who studied them. The Mogollon represent the prehistoric peoples who have occupied the White Mountain area since humans first entered this portion of the American Southwest. Casa Malpais represents one of the last major prehistoric Mogollon communities to be occupied. Why they left and where these people went still remain a mystery. Casa Malpais represents one of the largest, most significant, and latest dating sites in the upper Little Colorado River drainage region. The Mogollon community encompasses over 16 acres. The site rests atop 5 volcanic terraces which overlook the headwaters of the Little Colorado River. The site is nearly enclosed by a large stone wall. Within the stone wall, archaeologists have found a large masonry pueblo, a great kiva complex, several masonry compounds, 2 formal gateways, 3 stone stairways, numerous isolated rooms, catacombs, sacred chambers, grinding areas, and rock art panels. Now here's Archaeology Southwest, and I'm going to be talking more about their YouTube channel in a second, but they have some more pics here. And here are some looks at Casa Malpais, the ruins, some pretty impressive stone walls. And here is some broken pottery found at the site. Here is some rock art, and that is a spiral very similar to the spiral I found up in Red Rock Canyon. Here's a look overlooking the area. Another look at these structures. But this place here you can see it's kind of dug down into the ground. That'll give you just a little look at Casa Malpais, and I will leave the link here for Archaeology Southwest in the description. But just reading about the astronomical alignments in the circular structure, I think they base it on the gateways here. But here you can see this would have been a great place probably for viewing the sky, because this is flat landscape and this is perched up a little. Now here is Archaeology Southwest YouTube channel. They make their videos shareable, and I think that is great. For those of you who make videos, just want to let you know that. I want to make my subs aware of their channel. Many different aspects of the history of the southwestern part of the United States is gone over. Here is some of their videos. They have lectures and a whole bunch of interesting topics. I find it highly informative. So if you want to sub their channel, go for it. But their latest video was on Casa Malpais. So to end my video here, I just want to show you that brief 2-minute video that they make shareable.
As we lift off from the floor of a ceremonial room, we are provided with a bird's eye view of the ancient village of Casa Malpais. Those who lived here hundreds of years ago were probably ancestors of the modern Zuni, Hopi, and Acoma peoples. This site is also mentioned as an important place in Navajo Nightway ceremonies. Today, Casa Malpais continues to inspire countless visitors, but its walls are vulnerable to collapsing from erosion. The town of Springerville in Arizona partnered with Archaeology Southwest to help stabilize the walls of this village so that they could remain on public display for generations to come. To our friends and partners, thank you for supporting this effort to preserve a place of the past.
But that is a good look from Archaeology Southwest. They make their videos shareable. I will leave links for them below. But they have many videos on sites all around the southwestern United States in this area. Some highly informative videos and lectures. I will leave their links below. Hope you thought that was interesting, and you all have a very nice day.